We got today a 2019 Hyundai Veloster N. As you guys can see, beautiful light blue color with red accents. We left everything original. It's got the stock caliper converter on top. Then you have 2.5-inch piping all the way back to where a muffler used to be, and we did a muffler delete on it with a custom white pipe. And we left the same tips because they look pretty cool as it is. Yes, that's where the muffler delete was, right there. That's how you do a muffler delete on these. Again, it's a 2019 Hyundai Veloster Type N, as in Nancy. There it is. And this is the muffler that came off of it. Go ahead. Oh wow. Give it gas. Again, just like rev it real good. You can barely hear it at idle too. It's only got 800.